guys, I'm Anna.
And I'm Brian.
And we are
Those Annoying Vegans!
We wanted to wish you a happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Or as we've started to call it in the vegan community, Thanks Living.
That's right.
Because we won't be killing any turkeys. We won't be having dead animals on our plates, and we hope you don't either. We will be having a delicious vegan potluck here at home with some of our closest friends. We're really excited. There are going to be so many delicious options today.
We're trying out some new stuff. We got a baked mac and cheese that we haven't done on the channel yet. Mm-hmm. We're doing like the tofurkey loaves. Gardein makes a loaf.
Oh, and by the way, we called every single supermarket in the Los Angeles area, and they were all out of tofurkey loaves.
Yeah.
We called all the Whole Foods, all the Ralphs. We finally found a store called Sprouts that had some left, all the way in Burbank. So we had to drive to, you drove to Burbank.
I drove to Burbank.
So that's good news.
That's great news.
Yeah.
Because that means all the tofurkey loaves are selling out.
And for all the store owners out there, there are a lot of us, so stock up next year.
Yeah. And so we hope that you too will be leaving animals off your plate today, this Thanksgiving. If you follow our channel, we assume you'll be leaving animals off your plate today. If not, we encourage you to do so next year. And if you're looking for something to throw together this morning, if you're headed to a Thanksgiving, if you're cooking something for your family or your friends, we just wanted to remind you that we have a lot of Thanksgiving recipes already on our channel. We've got a pumpkin pie, we've got a shepherdless pie, we've got
stuffing muffins,
we've got gingerbread cookies.
Yeah.
We've got a lot of recipes that are all completely cruelty-free, and so you can give thanks this year without having to have a dead animal at the center of the table.
We've gotten to the point where, you know, people will invite us over to their place and they'll be like, here's the vegan stuff, here's the stuff that you can eat. And then, you know, they have the cruelty options. And we've gotten a little bit pickier about that in terms of the kinds of events we attend. So that's why we started having our own Thanksgiving, because even if we go to someone else's Thanksgiving and they have vegan options, we still don't want to eat with a dead bird on the table. I know everyone's at a different level in their vegan journey, and you might not have that option yet, but consider it. Next time, host your own and be unafraid, be courageous, stand up for your values. Don't worry about what people say. You might get teased. That's part of every single one of our journeys. Even us, we were there too.
So we're gonna head back into the kitchen and get back to the cooking. We're gonna share with you guys some photos of our vegan Thanksgiving feast on Instagram, so be sure you're following us on Instagram. And if you like this video, please click that thumbs up down below. That really helps us out. And of course, if you haven't already, subscribe! And make sure you slam that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time we put out a new video.
Follow us on Facebook as well, and check out our Etsy store for some cool vegan swag. We love you guys so much from the bottom of our hearts. We hope you have a lovely, lovely day. And touch base with us. Let us know how it went, and if you faced any challenges, or if it was amazing, or anything you'd like to share. We're here.
And share photos of your vegan Thanksgiving. Tag us on Instagram so we can see what you made.
Yay!
Bye!
Look at our cute outfits. Stitch Fix.
We
Yay!
match. See,
We're
there's
not-
olive green in your
We're not getting money
dress.
from Stitch Fix, but I love Stitch Fix. It's like they dress me now.
This is a very Thanksgiving sweater, right?
Yeah, there's a dress.
Oh, these
your
flip-flops.
flip-flops.
Don't show the flip-flops. We can't let the secrets out. I'm wearing very nice shoes right now.
This is behind the scenes
Yeah.
that you don't get to see.
What many people don't know is that when we shoot our videos, I'm usually not wearing appropriate pants. It's usually Adidas shorts or sweats.
Because you can't see it on the screen.
You can't see it. Come on. Just from here up.
All right, let's go.
Let's go keep cooking.
The shoes. The shoes.
What's that point
The
down?
shoes.
Get the shoes.